Hi, this is Muhammad. Today is first lecture of Microsoft Excel of latest version. In Excel, basically, what is this? Excel it is the type of Microsoft Office, okay, that is used to calculate data with the help of formulas. Every data in Excel to calculate with the help of formulas. Then what is formulas and what is functions in Excel? Okay, we will discuss in detail later lectures. Now today the basic introduction of Excel and its tools. Okay, how to open Excel? In a run command, type Excel or Excel.Exe. Okay. Open run command, press Windows plus R or yes, just to you type here, okay, and you can also right click here and run. Just type here Excel or Excel.Exe, okay, and you can also click on search box, just write here Excel. Click here to open Excel. Okay, but first you must how to save it. Here is, you can see here book 2, because I have already one file open. Okay, just for example this file. If I close this file, okay, I will close this file, second file. Open here. First you must save it. Click on file, save or save as. Browse and file location where you want to save it onto a desktop. Click here desktop and save as type. This is a file extension. Okay, I want to save it Excel default extension, and here just write here like lecture 1. Click on save it. Okay, this is called title bar. And here this is called title bar, and this is called quick access toolbar, and this is other types as you see here. Okay, minimize, maximize, and close. As you will see here, this is called ribbon display options. If I click here, okay, show tabs, these all called tabs. When I click here, show tabs and commands, this is called commands and ribbons, like paste option, cut, copy and format painter, bold. These are called ribbons or commands, also called tool or toolbar. Okay, this is software tools. And you can also, this is another shortcut, control F1. Okay, you want to hide ribbons and commands, and if I again press Ctrl plus F1, show ribbons and commands. This all of the section is called book. Okay, this all of the section is called book. Okay, you can define it, collection of sheets is called book. Okay, here are many collections, like click this plus icon, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So that's why it's called book. And in this area, like you can see here, sheet 1, this is called sheet. And okay, what is sheet? Or sheets, collection of rows and columns. Okay, collection of rows and columns is called sheet. Okay, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are called rows. A, B, C, D. These are called columns. Okay, sheet 1. If I click here, this is called sheet 2, sheet 3. Okay, there are approximately 256 sheets on one book. Okay, and there are many records in the rows. How much records? 10,48,576. As you see here, press Ctrl and button and arrow key. As you see here, 10,48,576 rows. If I want to see columns, the last column is what? XFD. 16,384 columns. In new Excel latest version, there are many records. You can use Excel as a database. This is the latest version of Excel. Okay, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 2, sheet 3, and so on. One another thing is most important in Excel. What is extension? Extension is a identification of any file. Okay, as you see here, I have saved it lecture 1 and we are save it onto a desktop. Just check it. This is a file. Right click it, properties. Okay, this is the file extension. The latest version of Excel file extension is what? Excel.SX. In old versions, that is what? Excel.S. In latest versions, Excel.SX. This is the latest version. Okay, for example, you can create many projects in Excel. For example, students result sheet, okay, salary sheet, and there are many records. For example, any other data, banks data, okay, any company's records, all of the data. Okay, as you see here, for example, just I select it. Okay, shift key. What is the selection? Shift key plus arrow keys. That is the selection. Merge and center. What is the meaning of merge and center? Merge and center means, okay, the data as you see here in this form, the lines of cells. Okay, one another thing, this is called cell. This box 1, box 2, cells. Collection of cells is called sheet. Okay, multiply rows and columns equal to total cells. These boxes are called cells. Okay, just select it. Click here. These lines are erased. Okay, as you see here, just type here. Result sheet. Okay, write it and fill it. Click on font color and fill any color. This is a font color and this is to fill color. For example, here serial number, name of the students, okay, handle. Okay, I am writing it on it directly. You can also write it here. Roll number, student roll numbers, and subjects. For example, English, physics, maths. Okay, I am giving an example. I am just writing here 3 subjects. You can write it more subjects. Okay, here is what? 14 marks. And here is total marks. see here, obtained marks, total marks, percentage, grade, okay. There is how many cells are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, just copy it. And paste here. Okay, both parts are equal on a center. And you can here, like you want to center it, you can also center it. Okay, as you see here, here is a hidden. First I want to increase font size. Okay, hand, also fill a color. How to fill a color? Click on white. Font is a white. Okay, and just select again and fill a color black. As you see here, some text is white. Double click here. Okay, or just click here and scroll down and double click here. You can also select all, format, auto fit column. Okay, but one another thing you see, if you want to print this file, as you see, the lines are not visible here. Okay, you can border it. Select it. Click here. Okay, select all. Data. Okay. Select. And borders. Click here and all borders. Okay. Press 1. Type. Okay. Control plus drag mouse. You can fill here. As you see here. Okay. Again see. Control plus drag mouse. Scroll down on a mouse. One another option you can also do it. Just Control Z. Click fill, series, raise 5 from 1 to 5. Okay, and select row you want to fill on a row or column. If I click on row, as you see here, row wise fill. If I select on a column, type here 5 and OK. It fills on a column. And name, okay, roll number, just type for example 209 in roll number, and name of number of the subjects. Just select it and type. Okay, press tab. Once you have selected, press tab and type. All marks. Okay, here just type names, any name. Okay, and click here, drag mouse. Okay, control plus drag to 10, 11. This is the whole numbers. Obtain marks. This line what shows? This line shows that page and here. Okay, as you see on a print area, click print. As you see here, other records are hidden. Why? Because this page ends here. If you want to all of the page, just click on a file, print. Okay, here on a scale options or page setup, click page setup, and scaling is high, 100%. You just here, for example, 90% scaling. Click OK. As you see here, okay, but lines are visible. That's most important. How lines are visible from. Okay, just I can type here 100. Click OK, and okay, how it's adjusted. Click on a page layout, width 1 page. Okay, 1 page, and click on a file, print. As you see here, all of the data. In this way, you can set your page. Okay, if I want to use a default position, you can also page set for print here. Okay, and I want to its 100%. Okay, it's 100% fit to here. And click on a print area and set printing. Now check it onto a print area. As you see here, all of the record are visible and lines are also visible. Okay, now how to calculate obtain marks. There are many ways in Excel to calculate for calculations. In Excel, two type of calculations. First is formula, other one is function. Okay, as you see here, formula is what? equal to 2 plus 2 plus is equals to 4. This is called formula. And what is function? Function already exists in Excel's library. For example, sum function is what? Plus function is what? Is equals to SUM, sum. Average is what? Is equals to average. And if you must start with equal. It's okay. It totally depends upon you. You want to create one formula or you want to use Excel's library functions. Is equals to SUM sum. This is called function. Number 1, okay, this is value 1 and number 2 is called value 2. How to do this? Click here. Click and okay, you can also drag mouse, okay, and you can also use shortcut keys, shift plus arrow keys, and press shift plus square bracket. Press enter. Okay, this is what? Okay, ignore this. 22 plus 33 plus 44 equal to 90. If you want to view formula and function, you can see here formula bar. And cell reference, J4 is called cell reference. Okay, J column and row number 4. So this is called name box. Name box, this is the cell address and this is a formula. If you want to show it, press F2, as you can see, to view formula or edit formula, press F2, and also you can double click it. And here you are not type it or repeat again and again formula. Just what to do, select it and press Ctrl D. That's what, press Ctrl D. This is a shortcut of formulas. Okay, or you can also drag mouse. Click here. If you want to any difficulty about to drag a mouse, many students are confused and they cannot use properly mouse. Then you can just select it and press Ctrl D. Total members. How many subjects? 1, 2, 3. One subject equal to total 100 marks. Okay, 100, 100, 100 plus 300. Type it 300 and press Ctrl D. Percentage. How to calculate a percentage? How to calculate a percentage? Equal obtain marks. Just click here. J4 is called. Okay, column number J and row number 4. J4. This cell address divided by slash. Forward slash is used for division. Total marks. Star used for multiply. Okay, multiply by 100. Press enter. 33% and select it. Press Ctrl D. Okay, just after 0.2 decimals, click here for 2 decimal points. On and here, increase decimal, decrease decimal. Okay, just click here. 2 decimal points. And how to find grade? It's a conditional function. If is equals to if. Okay, this is the logical condition. Logical test checks this number. If greater than 33, that's pass. If greater than, if less than 33, that's fail. Okay, see how to use it. Just click here. Okay, is greater than or equal to. This is greater than sign. That's what 33, comma. Okay, if this number students get 33, they will pass. If student will get less than 33, they will fail. Okay, press enter and select it. Press Ctrl D. Okay, as you see here, less than 33 is fail. Okay students, this is the all of the lecture. As you see here, hope you will understand about this lecture. This is the basic student result sheet. Okay, how to calculate and use, how to calculate and create and make using Excel. Any problem about calculation, formulas, okay, don't hesitate. Feel free to comment me below as description of the video. Okay, thanks.